Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how can we use MS Excel for free. So for using MS Excel for free, we have to go to Google Chrome and then search here MS Excel for free. So here you can see free online spreadsheet software. So now click on it and just wait. It is the official website of the Microsoft. So now click on Open Excel. So here you can see Excel is launching. So it will take a few seconds. So now here you can see if you have not signed in the Excel, you have to sign in. So as I have already signed in, so here is the option create blank workbook. So now click on it. So here you can see a blank workbook of Excel is showing. Now you can start using MS Excel for free. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.